GoTEE, Real-Time Production and Efficiency Monitoring System. Production, efficiency, attendance, maintenance, all in a single box.
We help factories increase production by 5 to 10% using real-time monitoring and fully in-house developed technology with proven results across large-scale operations. In 2019, we worked with a factory generating $34 million in annual revenue, operating at 38% efficiency. 1% efficiency improvement equals $1 million additional revenue. Even small performance gains create a massive financial impact. In another factory, running our solution across 30 production lines, 1,140 terminals, over 1.5 years of operation. During a 3-month pilot on just one line, production increased by 7% compared to 2 identical lines producing the same product. No process change, no additional manpower, just visibility, control, and data-driven decisions. What makes us different? Real-time monitoring. Monitor your factory in real time, anytime, anywhere. Hourly sewing production, line-wise, operator-wise. Line balancing. See line performance at a glance. Color-coded charts highlight delays and progress instantly. Sewing pending visualization. Track actual sewing pending across every process. Identify bottlenecks instantly with clear bar charts. True and accurate attendance system. Capture true attendance directly from each workstation. Individual worker efficiency tracking. Track every worker's performance with precision. Incentive report automation. Generate and print incentive reports in seconds. No manual calculation, no errors. Smart fault and maintenance tracking. Report faults instantly and reduce machine downtime. Bangladesh Garments Industry focused. Designed for the Bangladesh garments industry, solving real factory challenges every day. We don't promise results, we prove them. Run your factory on facts, not guesswork. Let's talk about our product and production. Built entirely in-house, from hardware to software. One unified solution, designed for performance and reliability. No third-party dependency, faster customization, lower long-term costs, stronger data security, and continuous innovation, always evolving with your needs. GoTEE, smart solutions for modern garment factories. Contact us today to transform your production.